The new iPhone 16 Pro coming out in September will have really thin edges around the screen as per two reports from Chinese sources. They say the bezels on the iPhone 16 Pro will be 1.2 millimeters, and on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, they'll be even thinner at 1.15 millimeters. According to the same source, the bezels on the iPhone 15 Pro are 1.71 millimeters. So even though the change isn't massive, you'll definitely notice the difference when you compare these phones side by side. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max will exceed the Galaxy S24 series and all previous devices in history, bringing us closer than ever to the dream of a truly bezel-less front. It's rumored that the iPhone 16 Pro will inherit the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 5x tetraprism telephoto lens. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro Max might come with a new 48-megapixel ultrawide camera along with a higher density battery, according to reports. Recently, there have been comparison images circulating online showing the size differences between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the upcoming 16 Pro Max. Additionally, Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has reported that the next-generation Pro Max iPhone will have a battery with a higher energy density. Kuo suggests that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature a higher density battery, providing longer battery life within the same form factor as the current 15 Pro Max. To manage the increased heat generated by the higher density battery, Apple is rumored to employ a stainless steel case that envelops the battery, enhancing thermal management. Kuo further suggests that the stainless steel casing will facilitate easier battery replacements, potentially aiding Apple in meeting the European Union's mandate for replaceable smartphone batteries. He mentions that Sunway is expected to be the primary supplier of the stainless steel battery casings for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If initial production runs prove successful, Apple may extend the use of these new battery casings to its entire iPhone 17 lineup. Liger Majin has returned with a new iPhone 16 Pro dummy model, giving us a comparison with the iPhone 15 Pro. The iPhone 16 Pro is anticipated to feature a 6.3-inch screen, making it larger than the 6.1-inch iPhone 15 Pro. While the size increase is not dramatic, newly leaked pictures reveal that it is noticeable. Unlike previously leaked mock-up units, this one includes a screen. However, since it's likely a non-functional display, we can observe the handset's purportedly slimmer bezels, which are expected to be achieved through border reduction structure, BRS technology. One of the pictures suggests that the iPhone 16 Pro's cameras are larger than those on the iPhone 15 Pro, supporting a rumor that at least one of the sensors will be thicker compared to the current setup. Allegedly, the phone will receive two new cameras: the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 12-megapixel periscope telephoto unit with 5x optical zoom and a 48-megapixel ultrawide camera. These sensors are expected to uphold the reputation of its predecessor, potentially earning it a spot on the best camera phones of 2024 list. The rumored capture button, visible in the photos, is anticipated to be a mechanical button with touch sensitivity. This feature aims to provide users with the same physical control they would experience on a dedicated camera. The button is speculated to operate similarly to a traditional shutter button and might even offer the ability to adjust the zoom level. Despite the sprinkled changes throughout, the iPhone 16 Pro seems to maintain the same overall design as the iPhone 15 Pro. At first glance, distinguishing between the two might prove challenging. In addition to featuring a larger screen and new cameras, the iPhone 16 Pro is rumored to come equipped with a more powerful chip and a slightly larger battery. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.